Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Hyundai i20 Premium. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 55 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 5, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 27,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Aqua Sparkling and looks in great condition for the agent mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. You've got a nice clean interior. You've also got the two-tone seats there. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your FM radio there in the centre with CD player and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, cruise control there on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and the wipers, and on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's got some carpet floor mats still as well. As we look inside of the boot, you've got the nice deep boot there on the i20 with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You have the adjustable floor, so you can raise or lower the height and keep some bits underneath. And below the bottom floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the diamond cut alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.